It is 6:15. I already handled my hygiene, fed my cat. I'm gonna feed my bunnies after I get ready because they were sleeping. I already wanted to try out this short wig that I have because I never really wear short wigs, but I like the color, and of course it don't look like how the pictures looked online because they only give those to the people with the higher following. But I'm gonna make it do what it do, and I'm gonna attempt to do some baby hairs today in the front. Attempt is the key word. But after I do my makeup, because I don't want to be trying to go around them and get makeup in the hair. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna be doing a smoky glitter eye today. Just use eyeshadow to fill in my brows. I'm gonna take this palette and I'm gonna take these two colors right here. I'm gonna go into this palette, take this one, and I'm gonna use this for my brow. Blend out the edges. I'm gonna take this Moon glitter gel. It's a peel off glitter glue and apply on my lid. I'm gonna take this glitter for my lid. Do these lashes today. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna take this color red that I used earlier. Ew, why do we open our mouths when we do under our eye? Like, I don't know. Just like when we do mascara, we have that weird look on our face. I be trying not to open my mouth because it looks crazy. Highlight the inner part of my eye using that same color that I used for my brows. And then mascara and some rhinestone, butterfly. Alright, this is how we looking. And I gotta go cook now. I already cooked my chicken. I'm gonna do my veggies when I get home. And I'm not gonna have no pasta today, so hubby and my son will have this. Johnny, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Tav, time to go! Okay, mama's going to work today, so daddy gonna pick you up today, okay? You be good?
Yeah.
Have a good day?
Yeah.
And you already know what we talked about, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I know, you remember. I love you so much. Have a great day. Kiss. Kiss. Have a good day. Air roasted me some green beans, and then I'm about to do my last finished touches and get out of here. It's 9:11. 9:20. I need to get my ass out of here, so I'll be on time. But this is the final look of my attempt of a baby hair. I tried. I told y'all I wasn't really good at that, but what do y'all think of this hair on me? But thanks for watching. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.